Hey guys, in this video we are going to discuss how to test that chlorophyll is important for the process of photosynthesis. So the aim of this experiment is to investigate the importance of chlorophyll for the process of photosynthesis. Now there are actually present some plants in nature, and those plants they have variegated leaves. Okay, one of the example of such plant is money plant. Now what the meaning of word variegated is that these leaves they have the variety. Okay, they have both green color part as well as white color part. Now obviously the part of the leaf which is green in color has chlorophyll in it. Okay, this green color part of the leaf has chlorophyll in it, and the white part of the leaf, their chlorophyll is absent. Okay, you can see here in this particular leaf. So in center, the green color part is having chlorophyll. The part of this leaf is green because it has chlorophyll, and this white color part has no chlorophyll in it. Okay, it is white in color because chlorophyll is absent. So what you have to do, first you have to take a potted plant which has variegated leaves. Okay, example money plant. You can easily get these plants in the nursery nearby your home. Fine. Now next you have to do is you have to keep this potted plant in a dark cupboard for 2 to 3 days. Now here comes the question, why are we keeping this plant with variegated leaves in dark room? Okay, the answer is to de-starch the plant. De-starching of plant is very important because plant has performed photosynthesis. So obviously the stored starch or the reserved food material called starch is present in all the cells of this leaf. Okay, so de-starching of leaf is very important. Another question comes in the mind is that this variegated leaves, okay, so the green part alone has chlorophyll in it. Okay, so only this green part will perform photosynthesis, isn't it? That's obvious because chlorophyll molecule is required to trap the sunlight energy. So the green part of leaf alone will perform photosynthesis. Okay, the white part of the leaf won't perform photosynthesis. So why de-starching of the leaf or de-starching of this plant is important? This is important because once this green color part performs photosynthesis, glucose is produced and excess of glucose is stored in the form of starch in these cells. Okay, but remember the cells which are present in this white color part of the leaf, okay, they are also healthy cells. They also perform rest other functions or rest other metabolic reactions in the cells. Okay, the cells of this white part also performs rest the cells of these white part also performs other very important metabolic processes or metabolic reactions except photosynthesis because chlorophyll is absent. So these cells also require continuous supply of energy. Okay, and how they get this energy? Again by the process of respiration by using glucose, and they get this glucose from the green color part. Okay, so the veins which are present in these leaves, they collect glucose from this green color part and then translocate the phloem tissue, translocate it to the white part of the leaf. So here also in the white part of the leaf, the excess of glucose is converted into starch and is stored. So if you will just pluck one variegated leaf and perform the test for the process of photosynthesis, perform the test to check the presence of starch in this leaf, what will happen? Both green part as well as white part will show you the positive result. This is because green part is also having stored starch in them. And how do they get the starch? They actually get glucose from the green color part through phloem tissues, and this excess glucose is stored there in white color part of the leaf in the form of starch. So de-starching of the leaf is very important. Now after you de-starch the leaf, what de-starch the plant, just take out the plant and keep it in bright sunlight for several hours, and then test the presence of starch in one of the leaf by using following steps. First you have to boil leaf in water. Okay, this step is important to stop any chemical reaction or metabolic reaction going on inside the cell, and then to break down the cell membrane so that iodine can easily seep inside the cells. Second, you have to boil leaf in the alcohol. Okay, remember you cannot place alcohol directly on the flame because alcohol is highly flammable and it is volatile. Okay, so it will just evaporate if it will receive, very high amount of temperature or very high amount of heat. So you can cover this leaf with ethanol in a test tube and place this test tube in hot water bath. Third, after boiling the leaf in alcohol, the leaf becomes brittle. So you just dip it in cold water or the normal hot water, okay, to make it soft. After that, spread this leaf on a petri dish and pour iodine drops on it. You can make out that the part of leaf, if you get yellowish brown color, that means no starch is present in it. And if you get this blue black color, that means starch is present in the leaf. Okay, so here is the test. Here's the result for the test. Before testing, this green color part was having chlorophyll, okay, and this white color part had no chlorophyll. So after destarching the plant, when you have kept this money plant in bright sunlight for several hours, the part of the leaf which has chlorophyll will only perform photosynthesis. Okay, so only the center part of the leaf will perform photosynthesis because it has chlorophyll, and chlorophyll helps in the trapping of sunlight energy. The white part of the leaf will not perform photosynthesis. Why? Because there is no chlorophyll. Okay, hence no chlorophyll means no sunlight energy can be trapped for the process of photosynthesis. Hence, after performing the starch test, the center part of the leaf will give you blue-black color. Okay, and appearance of blue-black color shows that starch is present, which shows that yes, photosynthesis has been taken place. And the side part of the leaf, the white part of the leaf will be stained as orange brown color. Okay, or you can say yellowish brown color or yellow color or brown color alone. That means starch is absent. And why starch is absent? Because no photosynthesis was done in this part of the leaf because of the absence of chlorophyll. So here is the result of the real experiment which was done in the laboratory. This is a variegated leaf. The side part of the leaf is green in color because of the presence of chlorophyll, and the center part of the leaf was pink and white. Okay, here chlorophyll was absent. So after the test was done, you can make out the side part of the leaf became bluish black in color. Okay, because chlorophyll was present, so photosynthesis has taken place, and the center part of the leaf remains yellowish brown in color. Due to the absence of chlorophyll, no photosynthesis process was done in this part of the leaf. So this proves that chlorophyll is necessary for the process of photosynthesis. In next video, we will investigate the importance of carbon dioxide for the process of photosynthesis. Take care till then. Bye-bye.